Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect Microsoft Teams to N8N. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to app.n8n.cloud and log in to your N8N account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we're gonna create a new workflow by clicking right here. Next, we would add a first step for us to begin. So click here, and then a search node will appear on the right corner of your screen. On that search node, type in Microsoft Teams. Then choose and click this. Then we can select any trigger for now. So I'm gonna choose on new chat. And then we need to provide a credential to connect our N8N account with. If you have already one, use that. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna create a new credential. So click there and then click on Connect My Account. A pop-up menu will automatically appear that would give you an option to connect your N8N account to your Microsoft account. So use of any of the ways for you to verify. Then accept. After you see this, you can close this and you should see account connected notification right here. And then you can now select which trigger do you want this to notify you for a new channel message, new chat message, or a new team member. So once you've picked one of the options, go back to Canvas and you can now see we've successfully connected Microsoft Teams with N8N. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!